Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your TRX tokens from Crypto.com to Gemini in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward and secure, helping you manage your crypto assets like a pro. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just switching exchanges, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Gemini. Log into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and find your TRX holdings. It's usually under the Assets or Balances tab, easy to spot. Next, select TRX from your list of assets. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. Before you proceed, head over to your Gemini account. Log in there and go to the Deposit section. For TRX, which is on the Tron network, you'll need to generate a deposit address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, back on Crypto.com, paste the Gemini deposit address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of TRX you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. TRX typically uses the Tron network, so ensure that's selected to keep costs low. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, the transfer should process quickly, often in minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, jump back to Gemini and check your account. You should see your TRX deposited and ready to use. Pro tip: always monitor your transactions using blockchain explorers like Tron Scan to track the status. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Crypto.com to Gemini. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so stay informed and secure your accounts. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.